How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice true survivor 88 SS Monte Carlo. It's a two-owner vehicle, 31,000 actual miles. Super nice car. It's all original paint. Very nice condition. All the original decals. Got the aluminum sport wheel on it instead of the steel wheel. Very nice car. Just a few little, marks in the paint, but it is the original paint. Always garage kept. See, it's not all dinged up or scratched up. Nice clean car. Well taken care of. Everything underneath the hood's in place where it should be. It's clean. Just super nice. Loaded up car. It's all the original interior. You can see how nice, all the jams, everything. Interior's excellent. Excellent condition. Got the gauge package, tilt wheel, dual remote mirrors. I mean, the headliner, the seats still got the sparkle in them. It's got the split 60/40 front bench, power driver's side. And this car's, windows, locks, tilt, cruise, air, delay wipers, power trunk, everything. We got the original purchase order. Jack, the spare, everything's original. We have a plaque. The gentleman that bought this car new was part of one of the designers of the car. They gave him a plaque. It's a brass plaque there, dated 1983 when it started the Monte SS's. See it, just how nice this car is. Just super excellent condition. Hey, right up, can't hear the thing hardly run. Just excellent condition. This car's all original. The only thing that's been changed that I could find was the mufflers and the two tailpipes. That car's just super nice. It's hard to find one that's that nice and not been all cut up or restored. Just a very nice clean survivor. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.